Yamaha best motorcycle brands. Whether you're in it for speed, looks, convenience, or thrills, every motorcycle community can appreciate a reliable motorcycle. The most reliable motorcycles will keep you smiling on the road for longer without causing headaches for you or your wallet. So what is the most reliable motorcycle brand out there? Unfortunately, reliability is hard to judge. Which motorcycle is more reliable? One that can break down but is super easy to fix, or one that will run forever but be a write-off when it breaks down? What's more important for a reliable motorcycle? Ease of maintenance, maintenance intervals, or cheap parts? And then there's the fact that many weaknesses and strengths will only reveal themselves after decades of use. Older models will have earned reputations for reliability, but new motorcycles will be tougher to judge. With that being said, we'll discuss all of these factors below as we rank the most reliable motorcycle brands for new and used bikes. Choosing the most reliable motorcycle brand. What's generally true for a brand may not be true for every motorcycle they make. Use this list as a reliable motorcycle buying guide, but the most reliable motorcycle may vary depending on the model and year. Brands can change over time, and previous owners may have had poor maintenance records for their bikes. All of this can impact whether a specific bike will be reliable. As we share our insights about these brands' reliability, we'll also be indicating their results from Consumer Report 2 2015 survey. The score represents the percentage of users who've had problems with their motorcycles within the first 4 years while riding without service contracts. The lower the number, the better. Yamaha. The big four Japanese motorcycle manufacturers dominate the top of the motorcycle reliability list, and at the head of the pack is Yamaha. But here at the top, competition is tight. Yamaha beats the next most reliable motorcycle brands, Honda and Suzuki, by only a single percentage point. That's according to Consumer Reports' big user survey in 2015, so things may be different now as each manufacturer looks for an edge. Yamaha's legendary reliability comes down to a few simple factors. First of all, Yamaha doesn't just do motorcycles, they manufacture engines for just about any vehicle you can think of. Their manufacturing capabilities and expertise, as well as their vast engineering knowledge, ensures that their engines are always going to be extremely well made. Whichever model you choose, it is likely that your Yamaha will be a low-maintenance motorcycle. Consumer Reports score, 11%. Taking care of you motorcycle. It doesn't matter how reliable your bike is, if you treat it poorly, it'll fail sooner than it should. Careful and loving maintenance will make even the most temperamental machines run smoothly. Here are some tips for caring for your motorcycle. 1. RTFM, read the friendly manual. We're serious, get your bike's service manual and familiarize yourself with it. It'll tell you the service intervals, how to perform most basic and intermediate maintenance tasks, and how to troubleshoot certain problems. 2. Do the maintenance. Knowing the service intervals is half the battle, the other half is following them. If you're not a grease monkey, look at it this way: keeping up with simpler motorcycle maintenance tasks is what keeps you from having to do any complicated and expensive repairs on your bike. Oil changes are a lot easier than replacing a piston. 3. Ride conservatively. This one may be a bitter pill to swallow depending on how and why you ride. The calmer you ride, the less wear and tear your bike, especially the engine, will experience. Consider your repair bills before taking off like a drag racer at every red light. Conclusion: if motorcycle reliability is important to you, then this list is a great place to start. However, it should only be the beginning. Make sure you research the models you're interested in. Even models known for their reliability can have bad years that you should avoid. Other models might have specific recurring problems, and it's up to you to decide whether those problems are enough to dissuade you. For new bikes, brand reputation is key. It's rare for any new bike to have so many problems that they're being reported the same year of its release. However, you can talk to your dealer and find out whether there are any parts that have been reused from older models. If they have, then there will probably be information available on whether that part holds up. Happy hunting!